you mentioned when you accompany those the first batch of those arrested to the Quezon City jail when they were jailed there, that in a few weeks the bigger fish will be arrested already. Can we just get an update on that? Will we be able to really capture them in a few weeks' time before the Christmas before the Christmas comes?
Capturing them is not the issue. They're in the Philippines. Mahanap yan. It is the wheels of justice turning na iniintay natin. The ombudsman will file the necessary cases in his own time. And after that, when they have a warrant of arrest, we will get them. 100% we will get them.
But definitely there will be bigger fish, because that is one of the issues that
Yes,
were raised
we will.
yesterday in the rally, that parang in their own words, puro dilis at sapsap lang daw ang mga na-aresto and not the pating at mga balyena.
Ngayon, papunta na tayo dun sa pating at balyena. Doon na tayo papunta. Okay. Malapit na yan. Bigyan natin ng ombudsman ng karapat-dapat na oras. Kasi si ombudsman meron siyang ethics sa pag-file ng case. Gusto niya may reasonable case, reasonable certainty for conviction. So hanggang hindi niya final yan, ibig sabihin, hindi siya sigurado. So pag-file niya, ibig sabihin yan, sigurado siya mako-convict na lahat yan.
Thank you.
But in his own time, lalabas yun.
Thank you po. Ngayon